Hi everybody. So this video is about to pass F5 certified administrator exams. If you want to pass global exam of F5, if you want to pass F5 certified administrator exam from F5 perspective, we need to clear all five exams: CAB1, CAB2, CAB3, CAB4, CAB5. So recently I passed CAB3 exams, and I'm going to give all the exam one by one. So once I'm going to pass it, accordingly I'm going to share the content like how we can do that. So recently I passed CAB4, then it is also going to be so green. So we need to clear all five, then we will be like F5 certified, we will become F5 certified administrator. Okay. So for passing CAB3, guys, what the study I did and what the practice I did. So we need to focus on the configuring health monitors, which is very important. And inside of configuring health monitors, we need to focus on the types of health monitors, configuring basic health monitors, try to do implement in your lab, monitoring content health of member versus nodes, managing persistence profile is very important to understand. And then types of persistence on the big IP, like what is source address affinity, how you can configure it, configuring source address affinity persistence. We should aware about cookie persistence, how many types of like in cookies we have insert, rewrite passive, how we can do that, what are the use cases, and in case of insert, what is the role of F5, in case of passive, what is the role of F5. Okay, so these are the topics we need to cover, and please try to implement in your lab. It's very important to be more confident on this. Okay. Then we have like we need to cover like managing profiles and pools. And this is the part of CAB3 exam. So in this exams, you need to follow like the topics like applying appropriate profiles where you can apply that. Uh, One question will be definitely from the IAP, like how we can configure, how we can identify like that is configured through IAP. Okay, identify IAP configured objects, how we can identify that this object is configured through IAP. And then default pool configurations, managing pools. So these are the topics we must cover to pass the CAB3. Apart from that, I will show you guys. For example, if we go exam topics, this is paid one, but uh, there is no any CAB3 question answer is there. If you go on the view all exams and if we do Control F and F5, uh, was 1 minute, guys. So for F5 we have four exams here. So there is no any CAB3 here is for CAB1. Okay, so if you try to open that, there are some free questions. If you browse that, about 30 questions. So not all are free, but some question 5-10 questions are free. So I'll suggest to follow this also at least free one, um, because some questions match from here also. And so this is about the content which we need to follow, which we need to study. This is the exam topics. From there, we can follow some free questions and answers. And if you want to, guys, if you want to buy dumps, we can comment me, and I will definitely communicate with you, and I will share my details how we can buy that, and definitely you can pass CAB3, CAB4 with the help of that dumps. But yes, I will suggest to do a study and practice it, and then try to sit in the exam. Don't blindly go. And but yes, some people had not much time to do a study and practice. So if you want to use dump and go that, so I can show that. I can't give all the details to you guys, but I can show that these types of question we can generally got in the exam. Not everyone, not every question is same, but yes, similar types of question we got it, and how we can insert it. So this is the DOM. I'm not going to show all the details here, but if you're looking for the DOM for a CAB3 exam, which I recently passed it, so we can communicate with. Yeah, so this was the short video related to CAB3 exam. So how we can pass that CAB3, which content we need to prepare, and which study material, and the dump stuff. So you can comment me, guys, and I hope this video has been informative for you. And I'm going to share all the details one by one, uh, according to my exam. So recently I passed CAB3, then I will pass CAB4, then 5, 2, and 3, then 1. And at the end also, once I will pass all five. So recently I passed CAB3, and once I will complete all exam one by one. Accordingly, I'm going to share details to you guys related to content and study materials, related to content and jobs and stuff. If you're looking for, and yes, and I will make one video at the end also when I will complete all the exams. I'm going to make video on every CAB exam, and I will make one video where we'll cover all the exam like from CAB1 to CAB5. Okay. So I hope this video has been informative for everybody. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your time. So if you like this, like if this is informative, please try to share this, subscribe this channel and in your circles, share this to the needed people if you want to be people who want to build career in this field. Thank you very much, everybody.